Hi guys, welcome back to this video, another edition of this video guys. This is boom and crash, and this indicator you can also use it on your currency pair guys. This is not reprint indicator, but guys, let me explain inside this video on how to make use of this indicator guys. To get this indicator you can surely reach me for it, but guys, this is not for free because this is working perfectly guys. So as you can see now, this is working on currency pair. You can see this is SAU USD dollar, and you can see what the market is telling us right now. And also we are going to explain this particular video on boom and crash index, and this is crash 500 and in 1 minute time frames guys. So I'm going to explain deeply on how to make use of this indicator to scrap up the market every day and continue make your consistent profits every day guys. So this indicator does not work on phone, it only works on PC system and laptop guys. So for you to identify your weak area now, this is what you need to do. We have this combination of indicator guys together that make us have a strong move in the market guys. We can see this is 1 year that we have the the downtrend and the the uptrend. It started from this particular area, but due to that we have our erase that has raised the first histogram here. That's why it's moving to form us another trend in the market. You can see what the market is now. And apart from this indicator, we have another one on the main chart that show the red indicator and the blue indicator here. We have the two triangle here that show the trend of the market. The blue means the uptrend and the red means the downtrend, and you can see what the market is now. So now for you to scrap up the market successfully on the chart, you can always wait for the blue triangle to appear. Immediately it appear, this is it, immediately it appear, then you wait for your signal, which is your signal here. The signal here is not reprint indicator. It does not reprint. Once it show, it's permanent in it. So guys, this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one that you need to take your trade. You can see that you can take as many as candlesticks as you want here. You can take up to 10. You can take up to, this one is showing up to like 50 to all candlestick here on 1 minute time frames, and this one is showing up to like 20 candlestick here. So guys, we can see that is our confirmation zone, and let me show you more of it. You can see this is eventually, this is what is working. You can see the first one that appear is around this area, and you can see that the second one appear above this particular area. So what you are going to be having first on your chart is that you are going to be having your first indicator signal that appear here, and once it appear, you might not have your confirmation yet, but you can wait for your second entry opportunity to scrape up the market as you want. So guys, you can see this is what is actually happening in the market time to time. You can see it also happen in spike too. You can also use the same strategy to catch up a spike. And guys, this is also what has happened on boom 1000 on 1 minute time frames, and also it works on crash 1000 on 1 minute time frame. You can see that I wait for my confirmation entry at this particular level, and I take my trade successfully guys. So you can see what, if you miss the first opportunity, you can wait for the second opportunity, and you enter your trade, and that is massive profits guys. Don't worry, this is 1 minute time frames. You can see that you can take up to 10 candlestick, 5 candlestick, and 15 candlestick. So guys, to get this perfect indicator, it works more better on boom and crash, and also work on currency pair if you also want to trade it on currency pair. So you can surely reach me on my Telegram, on my Messenger, and I will surely get back to you on this indicator guys. This indicator is not for free. It is something that you can avoid guys. It is something that you can very avoid. So I've been using this indicator, and it has been working very well for me guys, and I want you guys to enjoy the benefits. And this is boom 1000. You can see that the scraping is on a downtrend, and what you just need to wait is the confirmation of your trend, and you can easily scrape down the market as you want guys. So thanks guys.